Hello, everyone. I'm making potato salad right now, wrapping it up for the Thanksgiving dinner, and I just want to share it with you real quick. So I've boiled my potatoes and my eggs, cut them up, and I have green peppers, scallions, and celery. The eggs all in the bowl, and I'm getting ready to add my other ingredients. So let's get right into this video.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know everything will be alright. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. Yeah. You are all I need. All I need now. Yeah. It's crazy, but it's true. Crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You are all I need now. You're all I need. It's crazy, but it's true. Oh yeah. You're all I need. You're all I need. You're all I need now. Oh, it's crazy, but it's true. Oh, you're all I need. Hey, hey. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you. And I always
So your potatoes have to be firm enough, but not crunchy. But they have to be firm enough so that when you do this process right here, it don't turn into mashed potato salad. I know it looks a little, but it's not. My potatoes are just right.
give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You never drawn apart. Cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star. Cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me.
So we like our potato salad sweet. It's up to you. If you don't like it sweet, you could add a pinch of sugar if you like it sweet, the relish will do the trick for you. So that's why I added more relish at the end. The only thing I don't like about that is sometimes, if you put too much mayonnaise, it'll leave it a little loose. That's why I like to add my relish in the beginning. But yeah, it's on the money. Trust me. Give it a try.
You,